Broden, the project guy here with another video for you. Um, Yesterday I started going through the snowmobiles. My wife's MXZ TNT over here with some covers thrown on it right now. But we got new wear rods on that and new slides in. I hate doing slides. I watch videos online, YouTube and that, and it's like you just tap them, they come right out. And so I started at 3 in the afternoon trying to get these slides out of my Blizzard. The other side came out real easily. This one would not move. At 7:30 last night, I quit, and my shoulders were so beat, I was so beat that I had moved it like 6 inches. So in what, 4.5 hours roughly? And yeah, a little less because I took the other side out. But I try to go through all my equipment every year before it starts. I believe in being preventative versus having issues down the road. So last night about 4 in the morning, trying to figure out if I could get a bottle jack in there, what I could do to move that slide to the back without having to beat myself silly trying to do this. So here's what I came up with. I'm going to take this and tip it. And that slide was way down in front of that bogey wheel. Okay? And I ran a strap through from the other side. Here's the ratchet part. So I just caught, as you can see, the front of the slide, and I started to just ratchet it out. I have to adjust it about every foot or so, where I have to open the ratchet back up and tighten it up and then start re-ratcheting. But I managed to get it out the back, and you can see where I was trying to tap it out before. Somebody showed me on YouTube, put a little groove in there and then you kind of just tap it backwards. Well, that didn't work in this case. This made this simple. So if you ever get caught, if you're working on your sled and you can't get a slide out, this is a great alternative. Just be careful where you hook, the hooks on the ratchet so you don't bend anything underneath in the suspension. So that is my tip for today from Perodin the Project Guy. Have a good day.